Hey everyone! Are you in trouble with your phone? Don't worry, I've got your back. I'm here to help you out with whatever you need. And today I've got another super useful video just for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos, videos, contacts, and more from one iPhone to another using a super easy method. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. First, grab your iPhone and open up the browser. Now head over to iPhoneToAndroid.com. Once you're on the site, just follow the steps I'll guide you through. Now here's what you need to do. Download a small app from the site. It's totally safe, and only takes a few seconds to install. Make sure to install it on both iPhones, the one you're sending data from, and the one you're receiving on. Once the app is installed, open it up and tap on File Transfer. On the receiving phone, tap Receive. Now make sure both phones have Wi-Fi and location turned on. Don't worry, the app will remind you if anything's off. You'll now see a QR code appear on the receiving phone. Use the sending phone's camera to scan that QR code. As soon as the phones connect, you'll get a message like, EasyShare wants to join the Wi-Fi network. Just tap Join, and you're good to go. Once the connection is set, it's time for the magic. You can now select and send anything: photos, videos, contacts, even your entire gallery, all with just a few taps. It's super fast, super simple, and works like a charm. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know what worked for you. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.